Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Tradables. Here with CS Lakshmi Tota, and in this video we are gonna analyze how market has performed today. So with that, I'm gonna go through all these data points given by this Tradables web application. This is really helpful data points based on certain analysis to understand how market is being performed, and we can also understand what all the resistance and support levels, and with that we can do informed decision trading or investment. So without any further delay, with that I'm going into the video. So if I see Nifty 50, so Nifty 50 has closed today with 24,336 with fall of 332 points. So yesterday Nifty fall by 100 points, further continued by today's fall with 332 more points. If I see the candlestick pattern for Nifty 50, so it is completely falling down. So market literally crashed today. So, and also there is an indication levels that we are discussing every day in our videos. So whenever market 30 minutes or 1 hour, these are indicating weekly and monthly time frames. So the data points whatever we are giving in our analytics with week time frame is considered under this captured under this chart, and it is indicating market is crashing below minus 90 degrees of my Gann analysis. So whenever market is trading between positive 90 degrees to minus 90 degrees, we tend to say it as range bound market. If market is trading above positive 90 degrees, then we tend to say it as bullish market. So today you can see minus 90 degrees below market is trading, so it is pure bearish market today. Let me see how the data points that we are giving is working out to understand, to predict the next market moment. So yesterday net my Nifty 50 closed around 24,668 and the opening for the day is 24,584. So it's almost around the range of 24,600 level. So if I see my Fibonacci analysis, it says it's around 61.8% to 78.6%. If I see 24,661 above, if market closed any time, any candle, then my expectation is like market will hover but to the upside. But what happened is like it continuously started crashing. So in that case, the levels that are indicating at 38.2% and 0% will be my major supports. So it already crossed 24,414 today. So the next major critical support is like 0%, which is 24,180. So this is exactly indicating previous week's low. So that itself acts as the biggest support, and this is also, if we see from the Gann analysis, weak perspective, it is still below the support levels indicated. Whenever we have this kind of scenario slipped one of the major number indicated, then we can compare the monthly indicator. So long term, although it is telling 24,296 as a resistance, but for us, for this week, we can consider this as a huge support. So this 24,296 and 24,180. So similar numbers. So 24,200 is considering as a bigger support for me. So we have to wait for tomorrow how market will perform today. We'll see whether market will take support here or it will further crash down, or let's discuss this point in tomorrow's video. So with that, I'm going to the index movers. So I can see what all the counters have performed, positively contributed or negatively contributed. So negative contribution is like 49 out of 50 stocks are negatively contributed. So, and with that, here we also brought a new feature called sectors. So normally you can see the stock names. So if you want to see what all sectors contributed to the negative or positive momentum, we can understand from here. So today mostly financial services and oil and consumables stood at top. So majorly banks and finance services and oil consumers like Reliance has fallen today, like because of certain news. Like we had a very update, like we are into trade deficit of $37 billion for the month of November, while October we were around $27 billion. So almost $10 billion jump in imports, a trade deficit is indicating weakening of Indian rupee. So with that we have seen the market crash. Also there is an update, we are waiting for tomorrow federal rate cuts announcement. So, and one more thing, with the coming wedding and festival season and India being very cultural country, people love gold. So there is an increase in the imports of the gold, which in turn has a decrease in the forex reserves, and that is also contributing to the weakening of the rupee. So all these factors contributing to the market fall today. So with that, let me go to the bank nifty. If we see bank nifty also crashed below minus 90 degrees level, so we have to see where it will take the support. So for that, based on our data points, let's see which number can be considered as a support. So currently it is around 50 to 834. 50 to 834 is around 38.2%. So it is below the 38.2%. So 38.2% and 61.8% acts as a golden ratio, but it has slipped down this number. So then my immediate number that I can consider as a support is like 52,264. So even though if I consider in long term it's indicating 50 to 316 as a resistance, so 50 to 316, 52, 264, around 50 to 260 level I'm expecting support. So let's see whether market will respect these numbers in the tomorrow's trading session. So with that, if we see index movers for bank nifty, so all the banks, 12 out of 12 contributed to the negative side. With that, we can also have a view, month view, we can see how banks have performed. So month it is indicating strong, and year view, yearly also it is indicating very strong. So with that, I'm also quickly moving to the IT nifty. So IT nifty is also seen 239 points fall today, but I can say for the last 2 weeks we are experiencing rally in the IT, but since yesterday only it is taking reverse turn, but still according to our expert view, these are the best fair values we are giving. So according to this, it is still trading above the support levels that we are indicating. So that means IT is still strong. We can say it is still neutral, and this is a new feature we have implemented. Like this is the levels that we are away from the all-time high. So it's indicating 90,726 is like near to the all-time high just by 5%. So we are currently at 45,413. So that means whenever these numbers is hit by the market, then these numbers are indicating it's best time to get into the market. So if I see IT index movers, so today all 8 stocks out of 10 has fallen and 2 out of 10 has fallen. And if I see what all the index movers contributed to the IT, 9 out of 10 has fallen from 9 out of 10 has contributed to the positive side for the month perspective. Like although day looks scary, but month and year is like really giving strong impression. So banks IT in long term perspective it's doing good, but only for the temporary we can see the bearish market. And with that, I'll also want to discuss one more thing. We have brought in a new feature, we have got ETFs. We have added 4 more B's into our application. That means you can see Nifty, Bank, Gold, Auto, like all these sectors, you can track the performance like on a daily basis or on a yearly basis if you want to think from the long-term perspective. So with that, I think we are good. These are the one more indicators we are giving. Like whenever you just log into our website, you can see this Nifty 50 is indicating high alert, like how Nifty 50 is performing today. So it's purely bearish, and Bank Nifty is bearish, and IT is like neutral. So with that, I think we can wind up the video. So I hope you found the video helpful. Please, if you like the video, please do not forget to hit a like button, and also consider subscribing to our channel. And please feel free to share your thoughts, your analysis, and also if you want us to track any of the stocks in your portfolio in the same way how we analyze the indices, please note it in the comment section. So same way how we are doing in the indices from the equities, also we can do the same kind of analysis. So with that, yeah, thank you. Let's meet in the tomorrow's session.